today's recipe is the raw turmeric root chutney. For this, the ingredients are raw turmeric root. I have taken 2 pieces of this size, then ginger of this size. This is homemade tamarind paste. If you don't know how to make this tamarind paste at home, please leave the comment in the comment section below. I'll do a separate recipe on this. Then we have 2.5 red chilies, and then 4 peppercorns, some curry leaves, coriander leaves, and coconut of this quantity. And then we have jaggery, maybe 1 to 1.5 teaspoons, and then urad dal 2 teaspoons. Usually we get raw turmeric around the January time, during, we call it as Magara Shankaranti, or in Tamil we say it as Thai Tirunal. So this is the time where we welcome the sun god and we thank him for the harvest we have. So around this time is the season for this raw turmeric. So this is the right time, around January, February months, to use this raw turmeric, and after that we can just use the turmeric in the powder form. So let's see how to make this raw turmeric chutney now. So I've chopped the raw turmeric roots into small slices, thin slices. If you want, you can even shred this in the food processor. We have to make it real thin slices so that it will the raw smell will go very fast while cooking. First, now I am going to add this 2 teaspoons of urad dal. I am going to fry it. So I have already added 2 teaspoons of oil here. Put it in the medium flame. Now I am going to add 2.5 red chilies and also 4 peppercorns. I have chopped the ginger. I am going to add the chopped ginger now. Give it a stir. Now we can add in the turmeric roots. Now the turmeric root, the water in the turmeric root has to evaporate, and the slices should become nicely crispy. Only then the raw smell will go from the turmeric. Now the turmeric root is nicely cooked and the raw smell is gone. It is nice and crisp. At this stage, I'll add the curry leaves into this. Then I'm adding this shredded coconut into this. I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt at this time. Now fry the coconut slightly and it's almost ready. So I fried the coconut for less than a minute. Now this is the time I can add in my coriander leaves and then switch off the pan heat. Give it a stir. Yeah. Now let us leave this mixture to cool down. Once this comes to the room temperature, then we can blend it in the mixture jar and our chutney will be ready. So the mixture has come to the room temperature. Now I am going to transfer this first into the blender jar and then grind it. Later I am going to add the tamarind paste and the jaggery. First I am just going to blend this mixture. So the mixture looks like this. I blended it. Now I'll add the tamarind paste to this, and also the jaggery. Jaggery is optional. If you don't like this taste, you can skip it. See, I've grinded the whole mixture then with the tamarind paste and also jaggery. So this much quantity of chutney we got from the ingredients we took. Now I have already seasoned the mustard seeds and curry leaf, and I am going to put it on this, and our turmeric root chutney is ready.